Welcome, I am Rajendra Saloke. I am showing you some of the excellent moves where the shelter of the king was broken and checkmate was achieved. Now this is Black Oak Kelly is playing, which is a very famous grandmaster. Must have heard his name. So these positions are taken from actual games. Now black to play, Kelly is to play. Now hold the video and think what you will play, how we can achieve the checkmate. And I have seen except one position in this video that there is no chance for the opponent to avoid the mate. So Kelly played queen cross d2, f2 and check. Now the queen is required to be captured, it is sacrificed. King cross f2, knight g4 and check, king f3, e4 and check, king cross e4, knight f6 and check, king to f3, knight e5 and check, king to f2, knight g4 and check, king to g1, and now checkmate. What is the move? Bishop e3 and checkmate. See if you can move the king somewhere, or if you can capture this bishop who is giving me a check. Nothing. So we go to next position. Here white used to play. Hold the video and try to think what white can play, what is the best move for white. So white played bishop cross f7, obviously king cross f7, queen to b3 and check, king to g6, knight cross e5 check, king to h5. Now if we would have moved the king to f5, then he would have avoided the mate. That is what the analysis says. So he played king to h5, now mate is unavoidable. Knight to e2 and check, queen e8, sorry, not check, queen e8, queen to f3 and check, bishop to g4, queen cross g4 and check, knight cross g4. So he sacrificed the queen also. Knight g3 and check, king h4, and now mate in 1. What is the move? Knight to f3 and checkmate. So we go to next position. Watch this position and try to solve white to play. And unavoidable mate. Now think of what white will play. So now here white played rook cross h6. Sacrifice the rook. King cross h6. Rook to d3. Now rook to d3, if it takes the rook to h3, then it is checkmate. Just see, because the king cannot move into g file. So rook to h3 is a great threat. So moves the king to h5. Queen to f7 and check. He puts g6 in between, pawn in between. Queen to h7 and check. King to g4 and queen to h3 and checkmate. In fact, he moved the rook with the intention of giving a checkmate, but he checkmated with the queen. Now again, this is the next position. Just observe the position and find out if you can. White to play, if you can checkmate the black king, what will you play? Now e6 is the best move. You cannot take the rook because that pawn is pinned to the king by the white rook at this g1. So f cross e6, rook cross g6. Now we'll sacrifice the rook. King cross g6, queen to h5 and check, king to g7, rook to f7 and check, king to g8, and now mate in 1, queen to h7 and checkmate. So we're seeing some positions where dashing moves were made. Mostly the pieces are sacrificed to checkmate the king. Breaking is shelter. So you should think of such moves while playing. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching.